Hiya, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. This is the Miracle-Gro Performance Organics Fruit and Veg Organic Granular Food for Fruit and Veg. God, that's a mouthful. Not that I don't want a mouthful of this, it's probably not edible. But organic, and if you look down here, it says plant-based. So great, it's organic, it's plant-based. That would be great if you happen to be a vegan grower. Except it's not. I'll show you why. So it says on the front, in these medallions, that it is plant-based. It says on the back, in these medallions, up here, yeah, around there, that is plant-based. But can you see the problem with that? No? It's rather hard, but it's there. Next to those plant-based, it's actually got two asterisks, two stars. And if we find out where it stars, which is just underneath this plant-based medallion on the back, it says plant-based byproducts from the food industry, great, and enriched with guano. Yeah, guano. Bird shit. So if you don't know what guano is, it is a high phosphate fertiliser made from excrement of birds and bats. Now, as far as I know, albatrosses aren't flying brassicas, and bats aren't beetroot. So how can they say that it's a plant-based product if it's enriched with animal-based products? So I've done a bit of checking. So first of all, I went and checked out on various sites whether guano is classed as a plant-based fertiliser. I know it's not, it's an animal-based fertiliser. So I checked on vegan growing sites and said, is guano allowed in a vegan growing? And no, it's not, because it's an animal-based product. So if you're a vegan grower, you can't use any animal-based products. And then I checked, okay, what is the expectation when you see plant-based on fertiliser? So I went through quite a lot of sites, and read up and things like, not just vegan, but a lot of vegan, but also other sites that are on about plant-based fertiliser. And from what I can see, is the main expectation is that it's made with plants. In fact, several of the vegan sites said because plant-based fertiliser is made from plants, it's automatically organic and vegan. So you see the problem there? You've got something that says plant-based with a caveat that it contains guano. So it's either plant-based and therefore organic and vegan, or it contains guano and it can be plant-based if it contains animal products. Now I can't just say, oh well, that's just a trace, because it's enriched by it, and why would you make it more expensive by adding something that isn't active in the product? If it's not needed in the product, why add it? So yes, guano in here, in this plant-based fertiliser. I'd like to know, do you think that is acceptable to say that something is plant-based? And then I will mark on here exactly where it says guano. And that's all it says. It doesn't say it contains animal products. If you don't know what guano is, you're still in the dark. But you'll see highlighted down there how much of this panel goes to that. It's just one mention of guano. No that it contains warning that contains animal products. No notification that guano is an animal product. No nice, easy to read, easy to find section saying this contains animal products. It is just one single mention of the word guano. So let me know if you think that's honest, if you think that's truthful, if you think that is acceptable. Because I think if you're going to say something that's plant-based, it should be plant-based. If it contains animal products, if it contains synthetics, it shouldn't be plant-based. So do you think that's truthful? Do you think that's lying? Do you think that's deceitful? Do you think it's dishonest? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.